Come test drive the 2014 Countryman. The Countryman is a bright idea. 4 doors, more interior space, and positioning that evokes the rally heritage of the original Mini, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: panoramic sunroof, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. Come see the car for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.